My video guide is about getting rid of the browser pop-ups and fake alerts that come from the site Installdevelopedgreatlyinfo-file.info. This is a malicious website which attacks a lot of computers today, and this website claims to be some sort of Chrome update alert. The real purpose of this pop-up is to force people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. It is definitely a mistake to interact with all these pop-ups or to install anything that they suggest. Actually, these pop-ups promote unwanted browser extensions that may work as adware or browser hijackers. So if any unwanted extensions were installed, you should access the menu, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. So disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. I also recommend that you thoroughly research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.